Okay, for 14, they want us to solve this problem, and they tell us, so let's look at some of the key information. They say the rectangle has a perimeter of 30 inches. The length is 1 less than 3 times the width. And then what are the length and the width, right? So let's define some variables here. So I'm going to let W be the width in inches. Okay, so there's my let statement. So the length we've just seen. So the width is W, right? And the length would be represented by 1 less than 3 times the width. 3 times the width, 1 less than that. Okay, so now the perimeter, our equation. The perimeter, 30, equals the width plus the width, or 2W, plus 3W minus 1, plus 3W minus 1, right? We add up all the sides. So we get 30 equals W plus W is 2W, plus 3W is 5W, plus 3W is 8W, and then minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. So we add 2 to both sides, and we get 32 equals 8W. Divide by 8, 4 equals W, so W equals 4. So the width is 4 inches, and the length is 3W minus 1, right? So that's 3 times 4 is 12 minus 1 is 11 inches. And this is your answer. Don't get confused. This is not your answer, right? The answer is the width is 4 inches and the length is 11 inches.